I have roughly 6 cups of tomatoes here. It's springtime here on the island and there's heaps of tomatoes in the market. Very seasonal. Once the season is over, no more tomatoes to be seen. So I washed them. I'm going to put them in the processor. You can do this in a blender. We're just going to process these into a liquid. And I will work in batches. And I am mixing little yellow and red ones. You don't need to do that. And then I'm going to strain it. Try and use a heavy pot for this because we're going to simmer this for a long time. So we are going to get rid of the skins and the seeds. Make sure to squeeze it really well and get all of that liquid, guys, okay? We're now going to simmer this on very low heat for about 45 minutes. We need it to thicken, okay? All right, as you can see, this has reduced and it is thicker. I'm gonna add half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Guys, I'm using coconut sugar for this. It's still sugar, but it's better than the refined white one. I need to put sugar in this, otherwise it's just gonna taste like a spaghetti sauce, okay? You can sweeten it with honey and maple if you prefer, but it will change the flavor. So I'm adding a 1/4 cup. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of grated onion. It's purple onion, as you can see, or red onion. You can use yellow onion or you can use powder. One teaspoon garlic powder. 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves. 1/8 of a teaspoon of celery seeds. A teaspoon of salt. This is optional, so I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. I want to have a little kick. All right, we are now gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes. This is ready. I turned it off. Now I'm gonna let it cool down completely. I got about 1.5 cups of ketchup, guys. I am going to bottle this and keep it in the fridge. This, it tastes beautiful. It is absolutely very special. Much better than bottled, in my opinion. Delicious. Plus, we know everything that's in there. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.